8 washi tape ideas for kids. Have a case of Matchbox mania on your hands? Instead of shelling out for a big, expensive play table or a printed play rug, why not create your car course using relatively inexpensive washi tape? You and your kiddo will get a kick out of creating and recreating your little world together, and when your four-wheeled enthusiast trades in his toys, all you have to do is peel up the tape. Simple yet sophisticated, this washi tape monogram would make an elegant addition to any nursery. Using inexpensive cardstock, trace and cut out your letters. Then cover each letter with strips of washi tape, allowing the tape to overlap the sides. Turning the letter over, carefully remove the excess tape with a crafting knife. Mount to the second piece of cardstock, and frame. A picture wall makes for a dramatic and deeply personal focal point for your little one's room, but finding a large selection of varied and interesting frames can be more difficult than you'd think, especially if you're working with a small budget. If you want to save yourself some legwork, call off the clearance hunt and buy an inexpensive box set of boring, black frames. Then use washi tape to create your eclectic designs. Does this colorful little end table look familiar? If you're into crafting, you've no doubt run into IKEA's $7 lac table before. Here, this inexpensive and highly versatile piece has been transformed using multi-colored strips of washi tape. Simply choose your favorite colors and patterns and stick away. You can easily fend off curious little fingers with a sheet of plexiglass available at your local hardware store or a quick coat of Mod Podge. Made from chalkboard contact paper and outlined with colorful washi tape, this clever little canvas can be decorated and redecorated to your child's delight. Simply cut contact paper in the shape of a house. Then use washi tape to create individual rooms. This clever tape measure will help you keep track of your little wiggle monster's growth, if you can catch him or her. All you need is a tape measure, a roll or two of washi, and a little patience. With a little help from a projector, you can create a fun and colorful washi tape silhouette of just about anything. First, project your chosen image onto the wall. Then cover the entire picture with strips of tape. Using a crafting knife, trim all excess tape outside of the image's outline. Voila! A beautiful wall embellishment for a fraction of the cost of a large vinyl decal. This simple project is as easy as it is adorable. Trace your child's hand onto a piece of cardstock. After cutting the hand print out, lay strips of washi tape across it, allowing the tape to overlap the sides. Turn the handprint over, and remove excess tape using a crating knife. Mount your finished piece onto an additional sheet of cardstock and frame. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.